Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another 60-second pack crack here on Fahrenheit TCG. And today we have a Modern Horizons 2 draft booster pack opening here for you. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Starting off, we have a Crack Open, Lose Focus, an Arcbound Tracker, Lens Flare, a Loathsome Curator, Knighted Mirror, Phantasmal Dreadmaw, a Thornlight Bridge, a Wave Sifter, Gargadon, Constable of the Realm, Goblin Tramp Runner, Ravenous Squirrel, Quarian Ranger, and our rare is a Search the Premises with a crab token at the end there.